Shanghai ground to a complete halt on Monday as Typhoon Bebinca, the strongest storm to directly hit the city in over 7 decades, tore through the region. The typhoon made landfall at around 7:30 a.m. in an industrial suburb just southeast of the bustling metropolis of 25 million people. With wind speeds reaching up to 151 kilometers per hour, Bebinca quickly earned the title of the most powerful storm to strike the city since 1949. Authorities immediately issued a red typhoon warning the most severe weather alert in the country, cautioning residents of eastern China about gale force winds, relentless downpours, and widespread coastal flooding. The typhoon's path of destruction extended across multiple provinces, but Shanghai, one of China's most important financial and industrial centers, bore the brunt of the devastation. The timing of Typhoon Bebinca could not have been worse, coinciding with the Mid-Autumn Festival, a 3-day national holiday that typically sees millions of people traveling and celebrating. The storm's impact forced the cancellation of all flights at Shanghai's two international airports, starting at 8 p.m. on Sunday. Whoa! Trains were also brought to a standstill, ferry services were halted, and several major highways leading in and out of the city were shut down due to the risk of flooding and high winds. The city's tourism sector, too, came to a grinding halt, with popular destinations such as the Shanghai Disney Resort closing their doors on Monday. Videos on Douyin, China's version of TikTok, circulated showing Disney staff securing trash bins with tape to prevent them from being blown away by the powerful winds. By midnight, the storm's toll was staggering. More than 414,000 residents in Shanghai had been evacuated to safety. Local authorities transformed school gyms and exhibition centers into makeshift shelters for those seeking refuge from the storm. Neighboring provinces, including Zhejiang and Jiangsu, also implemented large-scale safety measures, preparing for potential devastation.
Oh, 好搞笑。可能的不同。做了什么呢？
Travel disruptions extended far beyond Shanghai. Across the region, over 1,600 flights had been canceled by Monday afternoon, leaving thousands of travelers stranded during the national holiday. In addition to transportation chaos, reports emerged of power and water outages in various parts of Shanghai. As residents rushed to stock up on food and essential supplies over the weekend, grocery stores were left with empty shelves. Typhoon Bebinca is expected to weaken as it moves inland toward the west, but its initial impact has left behind a path of destruction. The storm marks the second major tropical system to hit China this month. Just weeks prior, Super Typhoon Yagi swept across southern China with wind speeds of up to 230 kph, 140 miles per hour, causing widespread devastation and killing 4 people in Hainan province, before moving on to wreak havoc across Southeast Asia. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.